Hello everyone, welcome once again to this space, this MATLAB tutorials, and today we are going to be looking at how do we arrange fractions. Firstly, we all know that to arrange or order, okay, we also call it order. To arrange or order numbers, we can do it in two ways. The first one is what we know as ascending order, and the second one we know it as descending order. Now, for the ascending order, you imagine you want to climb the stairs. You want to climb the stairs, you want to move maybe from the ground floor to the first floor or something like that. You want to climb up. That means you are going to move from the lower region to the higher region, right? And that's exactly what we mean by ascending order. Whenever you are ordering or arranging something in ascending order, what you are doing is you are moving from a lower place to a higher place. You understand it? From the smallest to biggest. That's for the ascending order. And for the descending order, that means you're already in the first floor. Let's just make that as an example. You are already in the first floor, then you want to go to the ground floor. So you are coming down the stairs, you are coming from the stairs and coming down gradually, right? And that's exactly what we mean by descending order. That is, you want to go from a high place down to a lower place. That means you are moving from biggest to smallest. So if that is clear, then we can just pick a question and try to see, most especially when it comes to fractions, how do we arrange them? Now, let's take this example. You are to arrange. You are to arrange the following numbers in either ascending, sorry, let me continue here. In either ascending in either ascending order or descending order. So you want to arrange the following numbers in ascending order or descending order. Now, let's look at this number. Let's just take some fractions. Let's say 1 over 3, 1 over 2, let's say 1 over 9, then want to talk about 1 over 5, then okay, let me change the numerators here so that it won't be like everything is just having the same numerator. So let's say this one is 4 over 9, let's say this is 3 over 5, and let's say this is 9 over 10. Now we want to arrange these numbers in ascending or descending order. So this is the trick to it. Normally you have to find the LCM of everything and go around like that. So why you can do that? You can also use this very short method just multiply everything by 100. That is, you are converting everything to percentage. By the time you convert everything to percentage, the higher percentage, then you use it to arrange it. Do you understand this? Okay, let's do that now. Now, the first one here is what? 1/3, right? So you have 1/3 multiplied by 100. And this will be 100/3. This will be equals to, how many 3 can we see in 1? That means 1 is lesser than 3, right? So that's kind of not, okay, I won't say it's not possible, but for what we want to use this for here, it's not possible, right? So, okay, now, how many 3? Let's add the next 0 to it. This makes it 10 now, right? How many 3 can we see in 10? That's 3. Remainder what? Remainder 1, right? Now, the one that remains, put it at the back of this 0. And this makes this 10 also. Now, how many 3 can you see in 10? That's also 3. Remainder what? Remainder 1. The one that remains, put it here. You see, there is nothing left here, right? Now, add 0 to it. Because you are adding 0 here, you are putting a point here. Now, how many 3 can you see in 10 again? You see 3. And if you keep going like this, you see, the 3 keep going. And that means we can just approximate this to be 33.3 percentage. Now, let's go to 1/2. 1/2 multiplied by 100, that will be equals to 100 divided by 2, and that will be 50%. Okay, now we want to go to the next number, which is what? 4/9, right? 4/9 multiplied by 100. Okay, that will be 400 divided by 9, right? Okay, and this will be equals to, now, using that same method, how many 9 can I see in 40? That will be 9 times 4, that's 36, right? That will be 4, remainder 4, right? 36 minus 40, that's 4. Okay, how many 9 can I see in 40 again? That's 4, remainder what again? Remainder 4, right? So just like I've done here, you see that what you are having here is 44.4, and the 4 keep going like that too. So you can approximate it to be 44.4 percentage. Now let's go to this. You have 3/5. 3/5. Then multiply it by 100. This is going to be 300 divided by 5, and yes, how many 3 can we see in 30? Sorry, how many 5 can we see in 30? That's 6, right? So this is going to be 60%. And then we can go to the last one here, which is what? 9/10, multiply it by 100. Now, this is going to be 900 divided by 10. 0 can cancel 0, so we have 90%. Okay, good. So, let me clean this up so I can manage the space on the board. Now, we have successfully written 1/3 as 33%, 1/2 as 50%, 4/9 as 44.4%, 3/5 as 60%, and 9/10 as 90%. Now, if we are to do it in ascending order, you know, our question says in either ascending order or descending order, so we can do both. So I'm going to do both actually. Now, for the ascending order, look at these fractions, look at this percentage. Which one is the lowest? You can see that it is 33.3 percentage. That is the lowest. That means the number that gave me 33.3 percentage is 1/3. So don't go and do mistake and put this there. No, this is the number you put there because it is the fraction that you are actually arranging. So that means 1/3 first, then followed by, which one is the next? 44.4, right? And that will be 4/9, and the next one is 50%, right? And that will be what? 1 over 2, followed by the next one, which is 60 percentage, 3 over 5, and followed by the last one, which is what? 90 percentage. That will be 9 over 10. And we are done. Now, let's go to descending. Descending order. If you are to arrange this in descending order, so just take whatever you are having here, then rearrange it. You start from the rear. Or you can use this. 90 is the biggest. Let's assume you don't have this. 90 is the biggest here, right? So you write this first. 9 over 10. Followed by the next one is 60, right? 3 over 5. Followed by the next one is 50, right? 1 over 2. And the next one is 44.4, right? That will be 4 over 9. And the last one there will be 33.3, which is 1 over 3. And that's it. Thank you.